So be sure to come back and check it out. The Grinch is kind of a nasty guy for the Who's to deal with, but the guy next door is worse. Much worse. He's a real psycho. We are heading towards two of Hollywood's most iconic sets, Bates Motel and Psycho House. Wait a second.
We all go a little mad sometimes.
It looks a lot like Norman things. I'm just going to get a little too attached to some of the hotel guests. It looks like maybe she's just sleeping. She's a heavy sleeper. Oh. We're talking about the Grinch. 1938 candy canes for you. That's not a candy cane. That's a Norman's been known to get a leaf. I'll stab you. Good luck. Near disaster, we'll head now to a real disaster. We're headed to the crash site from Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. Remain seated until we get to the center of this area. Once we do, we'll come to a complete stop. This is a Boeing 747. It costs $60,000 to buy the retired aircraft, $200,000 to bring it here. Are we standing up in car number one? Hi, hello, I can see you. Right there, we're both flat. Hi, we're standing up, it's horribly dangerous. Hi, there you are. And on your left, guys, a big disaster as well. We recently used it for Nicki Minaj music video called Fly, starring Rihanna. Now we've come to a stop, and you can feel free to stand up and take photos. We'll also take a look behind the scenes.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
Saber que nos van a hacer ahora.
Sit down to talk about War of the Worlds. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. That's right. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Get them closed. Slowly. Robbie, get in. Get in.
Of course, that is Tom Cruise, the lead of this film. We have another actor with a huge resume to help us out for the last leg of the tour.